Kain muna nga ako dito. Hi. May pupuntahan pa ngayon ako.
How do I meet the strangest men? They always seem to find me.
Napatasin na yan. Si Roxanne. Saan may call? Wala mo kumakay. Ano ba yun?
The theme is fast food mascot. I have seen so many different Wendy's and Ronald, but never Jollibee, so I think it's time. The Jollibee mascot is a bee bitch, obviously, so this shouldn't be too hard. The face I did is kinda yassified compared to how the mascot actually looks, but as I should, I can't necessarily
Punta
use
muna ako sa
hair, but
grocery
since it's
para
a baldy, I
magpamili.
could go for the buzz cut in red. Okay, I'm starting
Hindi
to
pala
look
sa mall.
cursed, but my reference is kinda
Hindi,
cursed, so
exercise.
don't blame me. The mascot wears a chef hat, so I'll probably just use this hat. And why I need bee antennas, my only option is the heart headband. For the uniform, it's a suit and there's a black bow tie. To start it out, I'm gonna get my only option for the bow tie. These leggings, I like the shade of red, it's not too bright. Maybe these sleeves because I want to use the fluff part as the gloves. I'll pair them with these actual gloves. White basic tee. Ooh, wait, I still have not used this newer suit jacket. It's very uniformy. To give myself more of a built body, which is a BBL basically, I'll add this top because it changes the silhouette a little. For shoes, I'll go for these. I'm realizing I never actually use these shoes. I'll add these fluffy chunky slippers with them to give them that cartoony look. Now the most important part is the bee bottoms. I'll do the moon gazer skirt first. Maybe this skirt, since it has a few layers, it can give off that striped effect. This is the Wendy's girl. I've seen it too much at this point, but it is cute. Ew, Starbucks. 1 star, we don't support that shit. Ooh, Wendy and Ronald on a date. This is getting a 1 star. They both look like shit. She said grimace shake. I mean, at least it's not Ronald. Okay, McDonald's and Wendy. They tried making it fashion, but I think they flopped. This one's cuter than the others, so I'll give her a 3.
And pwede na ako mag-exercise. Naku, tama na nga. Dito naman ako.
Pwede po magtanong? Ano yun? Ano po yung tamang sentence? You sleep or you can sleep?
You sleep or you can sleep?
Opo.
You can sleep.
Ma'am, pwede po magtanong?
Ano yun?
Yan. Ano muna ako? Tubig. Ano ba to? Pagbabalita ba to? Balitang balita sa Radyong Sira. Isang tao na namatay at nawala na siya. Bye-bye. See you next time. Wala na ba yun? Tama ba yun? Uy. Uy, ano to? Uy, pwede pa lang ng utang. Ay, wala. Ah, sakit. Sakit yun ah. Umaga na pala. Mamimili muna ako.
Ano?
Pahingi naman ako ng papel. Pahingi naman ako ng papel. Papel sa buhay.
Sana ay maabot ng langit.
Kung totoo kang blooms ng binisino, bias mo pero hindi sasabihin pangalan niya, maliit siya.
Wag kang
Joanna.
mag-alala.
Yan mo.
Ipipilit sa'yo kahit nalilipad
Babay na.
ang isip ko'y turete sa'yo.
Ito po bayad.
Maabot
Katabi
ng
daw ni
langit.
Stacy. Zimika!
Challenge. Oo. Para ka.
Gusto mo na, gusto kita, gusto kita, gusto kita, gusto kita. Lagay ko muna pinabili ko dito. Pinamili ko dito. A at Uy. Ano ba to? May humarang sa akin ah. Bangga tuloy ako.
Naiinis ako. Alam mo yung dance na ano? Yung gantong dance. Yung ganyan, tapos ganyan, tapos ganun.
Mag-a-adapt muna ako ng...
Ano yung title? Paano? Yung tapos ganun.
Adapt muna ako. Pwede po pong mag-adapt dito. Wala pwede. Adapt ko to. Secret na ito. Magkano. Ito po bayad.
7.3M, 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 7.3M.
Ano nangyari? Uy, angas nun ah. Nag-iiba pala to. Hindi ko pa lang ito nakita.
7.3M. 8 ang to. 5 last. Okay. Okay.
Yan. Pupunta muna ako dito. Party muna ako.
Hi mga
Ano wife and husband.
Yan yun.
Staku.
Uy, pwede ata tayo magnakaw dito. Uy, gusto nito. Nakaw to. Di ko naiwasan.
Now, this.
Pero, yo.
This.
Ano, house 11 pala ako.
This.
Barking na ako.
I vow.
May pagkain na din ako. Tokas. Hotdog. Sarap na ito. Itanggal ko na ito. Bukas muna ako.
Minsan,
Kala ko si Bon. For this best leader, gentleman, cute Sigma everyone. Licking all people, cute and dancer. Tahimik at lutang and cute. Don't make me blow. Where's Ja? Ano siya? Ay, wala siya. Magtitibin na nga muna ako. Mag-best cheesy ang burger na. Ayan. Yan.
Wala kayong ganyang emoji kasi...
New X.
So, guys, babay na po. At papakitahid kaya kayong pera. Yay! May pera na tayo. 10,000. Bye-bye, guys.